is it's most fun and simple, easy, beautiful. I'm gonna using yellow to make it matching. Well, not matching, it opposite. Look like that butterfly is bigger. I might be wrong. It's so easy, everybody. It's just like pick it up and you just slide right in. I'm looking for half of, I can't wait to try that one. Maybe half of this butterfly. I am going to using a different collection for that nails. I did this one and I am going to do another one so then we can dress them up both at the same time. That's gonna be fun. I want that one. It's so easy to take it out from a tweezer and you don't even need to, I'll show it closer to our Instagram. And I want to do another one, same thing, and lay on the top of the other. I'm gonna have so much fun with this. You can layer them, everyone. You don't have to necessarily like do ones only. This is, and then you can just buff it on the side later. It's so stunning. I'm like having fun with this now. Okay, half butterflies. You know, be honest, I never care much for butterflies though. But seeing they are so cute and they are like so colorful, it just so make me so excited about. Look at that. She's laying right on the top of that cute flowers. I saw this cutie one too. So easy to do. Put this one right there. And put some crystal later. And I'm gonna take one of this, butterflies. Oh, is it butterflies? It said butterflies and beautiful. I don't know. Butterflies? Should I be beautiful? Doesn't matter. Don't care. Just butterfly. Haha. Right on the top. Isn't that cute? Let me see what else I can collecting here. I'm having so much fun. It's like beside Chanful Foil, I really it's stunning. I like it so much. But also this is like really. I have so many. Look at this. Okay, I'm gonna get this flowers. Sorry guys, I was like so excited. I say what? More butterflies, and then there are 4 different kinds. So I can't make decision which one. So I'm gonna get them all. And let's see, maybe this one. Is everybody feeling better now? See me being over here and try to like everyone feeling better. Just watching a live video and try to take everybody mind off. Just take a minute's break from like a lot of news, a lot of crazy things going on. I don't want this. Because, hey, if you don't want it, you can put it right back in. So, really hard to chew. I want to try this one. Okay. See how it turned out. It's similar to Chanful Foil, but so much easier with Chanful Foil. Well, Chanful Foil, you're still having fun with this. But, this is different experience, everyone. This one like just so easy. Just take that, you know, remove that and place them in. And they're so easy to use though. Look. It's just like that. You already have a two cute designs on. I am going to apply the condensed glues on the top. Before that, I am going to give it a little bit, I'm folding my little piece of paper here. Just give it a little bit pressure to make sure they stay on. Well, they already stay on. I just want them to lay really nice and flat. Okay, no white, condensed glue gel. I'm gonna dress up a little bit crystal on it, and then this now are completely gonna be done. Let's do this one first. I am doing 2 of this in the same time though.
Say hi like Instagram.
Hello Instagram. Just 1 second. I'm doing 2 of them at the same time. Hi Instagram. Welcome back to our live tutorial. I was so pay attention. I didn't pay attention that is Instagram is will end already. So here we are. We're back again. Hi Joy. Hi the guys with the nails. How are you? Hey ladies, how are you? I see nails. Hello, how are you, princess? How are you? Now next we're gonna go into using a no wipe top coat on the top, both of them. So I don't know, I think I just try to do both of them at the same time because I think I'm just can't help it because they're so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna wait for that one. I did condensed glue gel already, so I'm gonna using this one a little bit. Maybe I'm going back to this. I'm going back to that one. Number 3, right down there. Great. Just get a little bit of, and then just do bedazzle right there. Just a little hint of crystal. That's it. That's all I want. Unless you want something else. I think I will leave it alone. Okay, here for 60 seconds. The only, hello. Hi, Spamolix, how are you? I agree, Foxy Loxy is really... Hey, Ariana, you are in school? Good. Keep up the good work. Soon one day you're gonna be graduates and you're being like joining the nail techs, all that talented nail techs. So I have the next one right here. I'm gonna put the top coat on. No white top coat. I am going to dress a couple of crystal right here before the other ones is completely clear. I have a mix AB right here in front of me. We want to wait for that one. In the last video I did some in the last video I did I believe I did the butterflies in crystal. So this time we are doing the butterflies in like sticker. So it's really stunning. I'm so happy with this. It looks so different, because you see me is always like bling them up, dazzle them up, but today it looks so pretty. I would wear this all 10 nails. That's it. That's all I want for this. And here for 60 seconds. This one done.